Yeah. Thought we would start off the day with a car wash. Says go forward.
I know, I'm trying to get under carriage a little bit better. Can't put it in park.
Huh?
I can put it in neutral. Does that work?
Sure.
Since I got my straight drive here. Ew, she's getting a bath. Still be dirty.
Retard.
Quit talking about me.
How do you know I'm talking about you?
You said I'm crazy.
No, I said retard alert.
Retard alert.
Yeah. You're not supposed to do that.
Wash that window. Wash it. Wash it. Wash it again.
Stop. Still cleaning.
Hey, does anybody want to see a caught on fire drone that lasts a whole 15 minutes?
You said seconds.
15 seconds, not minutes. I'm used to, having something 15 minutes, but 15 seconds. It caught on fire. It must be the Hobby Wing X rotor speed control. That's a piece of shit. Even Jared Bath had one catch on fire with him, or went completely bad. So
I wouldn't recommend using those
these motors feel
speed
really
controls.
tight. That one feels fine. That one feels fine. That one's a little tight. That one's super tight. I don't know, these 2405s, 2850 kV, I don't trust them. Junk! Junk's X rotor. Hobby Wing sucks for multi-rotors. Oh, Lordy. It's gonna come in and get us. Hey, what happens if I do this? Ah! I'm wet.
Do it now.
No, hell no. This ain't gonna be an episode of Roadkill where they go through a car wash with a convertible top down.
Yeah.
It's too cold for that.
The vertical and they have umbrellas. Look at that eyes.
Probably like purple power shit. Stripping every bit of wax that was on it.
Smells good.
I can't smell.
Smells like grape.
I can't hear. Oh, if I do it really hard, I can smell. Purple power with grape. What was that? I think I've seen somebody.
It's washing.
Well, we're in a frozen igloo. Waylon, coming. Boom! Please exit slowly.
Ain't nobody taller than me. Ain't nobody taller than Scott. Ain't nobody taller, man. I'm taking this spot.
We will see you back at our house.